Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If pandemic made you miss home or especially street food, today I'm sharing red apple or hot and spicy style chicken cheese paratha roll recipe just for you. I will share how to make that delicious cheese sauce and a very special chutney raita which is served with the rolls. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, I'll marinate boneless chicken with salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, roasted and crushed cumin, garam masala powder, ginger and garlic paste, some yogurt, and two optional ingredients: whipping cream and raw papaya paste. So if you want, you can add it. It will definitely enhance the flavor of your chicken. But if you want, you can omit this. Adding a little bit of oil in there as well. Mix everything well and cover and let it marinate, preferably for overnight, but you can leave it for hour or two too as well. Now I am making paratha dough. For that, I added all-purpose flour with salt, sugar, a little bit of oil in the handstand mixture bowl. Now I usually add semolina suji in my dough. If you want, you can skip that, but semolina make a paratha that give that crispy texture. So you can make the dough in the stand mixture bowl, or you can do by hand with a little bit of lukewarm water and keep that on the side. Now I am making cheese sauce. Melting butter, adding all-purpose flour and cooked flour for a minute or two until it starts cooking and it's bubbly. Slowly add milk and keep on stirring until flour is completely mixed through. Seasoning it with little bit of salt and red chili powder, and then I will add softened cream cheese cubes in there. Mix well, and then I am adding shredded cheddar cheese in as well. Mix well and cook on slow flame until both of the cheese are completely melted. Cream cheese will take a little bit of time. Then switch off the flame and keep this on the side. Now we will go and make that delicious spicy tangy chutney raita, adding some tamarind pulp with cilantro, mint, green chilies, garlic pods, salt, roasted and crushed cumin, and yogurt in a blender jug. Blend until everything is completely mixed, and then you can put this on the side as well. Now we will go and start cooking our chicken. Today I am baking chicken. You can grill it as well or cook it in a regular cooking pot. I'm taking a cookie sheet which I lined with a foil and putting a grill tray on top of it and greasing it very well. Grill tray actually help chicken cook very well because air circulate. Now I am using wooden bamboo skewers today. You can use any other skewers as well. I pre-soak the skewers when I bake so they won't get burned. Picking up each piece of marinated chicken and threading onto skewer like so, and I will repeat the same process with the rest of the chicken pieces and transfer it onto the prepared tray. I'm spraying a little bit of more oil on top, and then I will bake it in an oven which is preheated on 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And as soon as chicken is like almost done, I will broil it on high until it gets nice golden color. I'm spraying a little bit of more oil on top to give that color. I forgot to smoke my chicken before, but you can do it at any point. I'm just putting a heated piece of charcoal on a piece of foil, drizzle some oil. As soon as the smoke comes out, I cover so the chicken will get infused with the charcoal flavor. Now let's go and make our parathas. I make a regular dough ball like we make for our regular roti. Just sprinkle some regular all-purpose flour on my working surface. Take one dough ball, just flatten the edge with the help of your thumb, and then start rolling with the help of rolling pin. Now at this point, we don't need any particular shape or size. Just stretch your dough ball as much as you can. Now you can add oil or ghee on top of it, brush it and cover all the surface of this rolled roti, and then sprinkle more all-purpose flour in there and start rolling from one edge and make it look like a rope. I already shared few different other process to roll the paratha, and I will leave that link down below for you guys. So for this one, I just make it look like a big rope and roll it again into a circle, tuck the ending edge underneath, and I will repeat the same process with the rest of my dough balls. Now it's time to make a paratha. Pick up these rolled roll ball again, flatten the edges and start rolling with the help of rolling pin. Just keep that in mind that parathas are thicker in comparison to a regular roti. And since this one is completely made with all purpose flour, so as much as you stretch, it will come back and retain its shape. So just roll it how much thicker your family prefer, and when you're done, just pick it up and put it on a hot griddle. When it's cooked from one side, so pick it up and flip it again, and now it's time to shallow fry. You can use oil or ghee, and with the help of tongue, just keep on flipping until it's get nice golden color on both sides. And when it was done, I just put it on a piece of paper towel to absorb the excess oil. And now it's time to assemble our chicken cheese paratha roll. So pick up each paratha. First I am spreading very thin layer of mayo. You can do garlic mayo as well. Now I'm arranging grilled chicken pieces on top of it, and I will drizzle some cheese sauce. So if you cheese sauce, as soon as it get cold, it get a little thicker, so you can add like a tablespoon of milk and heat it up again. Now to roll it in a nicer shape, I am putting it on a piece of paper towel. You can use a parchment paper as well, and keep on pushing and rolling, and that's how you can roll this delicious chicken cheese paratha roll. If you want to make it with a chutney raita instead of a cheese sauce, just drizzle the chutney raita and add sliced onion, and then you can make this chicken cheese paratha roll at home. Now if this recipe is not making you nostalgic, I don't know what else can. It's same delicious flavor, but I would say a little better because it's homemade. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.